Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make folder on Android phone. Here are the easy steps to make a folder on your Android home screen. First, unlock your Android phone. Use your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Go to the home screen. Swipe up or press the home button. Find two apps you want to group together. For example, I choose the Notion app. Tap and hold the first app icon until it lifts and you can move it. Drag the app over the second app icon. Release the app when it overlaps the other icon. A folder will automatically be created. Tap the new folder to open it. Tap Unnamed folder or the name field at the top. Type a name for your folder. Example, games or social apps, and etc. Tap Done, check mark, or close the keyboard. The folder name is now set. Add more apps by dragging them into the folder and repeat as needed. Tips: if your phone has a different launcher like Samsung One UI or MIUI, steps are similar. You can also create folders in App Drawer on some Android phones. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.